Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to auction on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add items to your Whatnot show. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, there's multiple ways you can do it. The way that I've been doing it, because I have shows that vary by shows, when you actually go ahead and schedule a show, so let's click on one of our upcoming shows. On the bottom right hand corner, click on shop, and then click on the plus icon on the bottom right hand side. That's yellow. Then click on create temporary listing. So once you create a temporary listing, you can fill out the details. So here I have temporary listings for single cards, and then I also have temporary listings for slabs. But when you create a temporary listing, just fill out the category, give it a title, and then set it to auction. Set the starting bid, set the time limit, set the quantity, and then also set the shipping profile, which is really important because the shipping profile is going to determine the weight of the product. And the weight of the product is going to determine how much people pay for shipping. So we'll just do 1 ounce since it's just a single card and then click on add listing. Oh, sorry, we forgot to fill out the title. So we'll just call this booster packs. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add items to auction on Whatnot. If you guys haven't signed up for Whatnot yet, you can use my link down below to get $150 in match seller earnings as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.